Hello guys, in this video is gonna be like the most important way if you are a CEO or a founder or like the first responsible of your business or idea or startup and so on. So it's gonna be giving you a good website of the tools and the elements that really needed to know as CEO, as the first responsible for your team and leading your team for the vision and so on. So all what you need to do, go for the browser and then press glengo.com, and you can find here guys the website, like having the coaching phase of the businesses you can learn with the ideas and the blogging system. All what you do, go for see your resources, and here the product users matters more than there is some videos like really help, and you can coach via it and so on. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.